Merry Christmas, everyone. I'm getting ready to cook the family prime rib. We've got a 4-bone prime grade rib roast that I picked up from the Butcher Shoppe. I seasoned it, well, I salted it yesterday. This morning I seasoned it. It smells so good. We've got the Pit Barrel Jr. fired up. It's just about ready for us to set the roast in there. It's going to be a great day here. We're in Orange Beach, Alabama. The weather couldn't be more perfect. It's going to be a high of about 74 degrees today. And it's going to be a beautiful day to cook a prime rib. We just got the prime rib set on the pit barrel there. Just got it going using my ThermoQ2. So we're running about a 350 ambient temp right now, and that will slowly die down as we get into the cook there. It's looking good. It's already smelling so good out here. Give you a peek since I just literally turned it or put it in there. We've got our internal probe, and then we've got one there in the center of the roast. I am using a couple pieces of pecan wood for some extra smoke, and we're using our Kingsford charcoal. Such a beautiful day out here. Here's a shot at the condo behind us. Nice place. Right here in Orange Beach, Alabama. All right, I want to double check my temp here. I'm using my thermopen. Got to get down to that same spot. We're around 122 in the coldest section.
Smells really good.
I found it just a minute ago, but I know we're good. We're right where we want to be for pulling temp. So let's go ahead and pull it off. Looking good. Pull that guy out right there. Handy paper towels.
Yes.
Man, that thing looks so good.
Yeah, it does.
So our prime rib is ready. It is resting now. We just covered it up. We're gonna let it rest. And since we got some more time, we've got a couple of fillets here, prime grade beef fillets for Abby. It come in a 2-pack, that's why we have 2. Might as well just cook both of them. And
I'm sorry, your prime rib looks awesome.
it looked really good, and it smelled great too, didn't it?
It smells great.
Yep.
It's the fat.
It's the fat that smells so good. So pit barrel's still running strong, so we're gonna go ahead and put these fillets on there and let them cook for Abby.
So I went outside and tried to find a shovel. I thought I had it.
Here's our roast.
And I think I'd pay $1,000 or $1,500.
It looks amazing.
All right, so you want to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and remove the
I tried to eat it the other way.
twine here.
I can't go it.
Yeah.
All the rest of my family does, but that's okay. I don't care.
Then you can cover it up.
And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the ribs back in the pan.
Yeah, well, now.
Mom used the fat drippings from the rib in the beef gravy. That's going to be in the for the mashed potatoes.
We had quite a trouble having her, almost lost both of them.
Oh,
So we figured it was there.
enough's enough, right? You made it down one road, let it go. Yeah, absolutely.
You know, and I mean, I.
It looks so good.
It smells so
Oh,
good.
yeah. I agree.
I hope this is one of my best ones because it feels like it's one of the best ones that I've cooked so far.
Sounds like you don't eat it.
All those previous cooks, I'm always learning what I'm doing wrong, what could I do better.
She would have had a sister or a brother, you know, but
You rolling?
it didn't work.
No, it's all good. It's all good. We're gonna try to convince them in the next year or so.
Yep.
Shop,
Here's the ribs.
our shop and all.
Yep.
Here's the ribs. So we're just gonna throw those back in the oven for a little bit and let those render down some more.
Yep.
And then here's our rib roast.
Oh, yeah, but I mean, it's full of a life.
Get these strings out of the way and we'll slice it up.
I don't know, you get, and people come by and probably want them, and,
Oh, yeah.
I imagine people's already asked if you want to sell them,
Yeah.
so you won't have a hard time.
Yes.
You become a slave to yourself.
It's good.
Oh, it's like when I closed down, there was a text to right there.
All right, so the prime rib turned out pretty delicious in my opinion. I think it's one of the best that I have made. But what does the family think?
This is amazing.
Excellent.
Excellent?
Everybody loved it.
It was fantastic.
It almost.
Fantastic, excellent,
Very, very tender, melt in your mouth.
Yeah.
awesome.
And it was
Perfectly
cooked to
cooked.
perfection, and the taste was very, very good.
Very
Great,
good.
I love the feedback.
I didn't even need steak sauce, which I always have steak
Yeah,
sauce
that's
on my
unusual.
steaks.
Never,
I did not
I
even
even
need
Never
got
need a good
raw.
steak sauce for a
You
good
better not
Didn't
throw
need
it
it.
away.
Abby, how about your
It
filet?
was perfect. It was cooked perfectly.
Awesome.
I annihilated it.
Awesome.
And the mashed potatoes and the lima beans were very good too.
That's all mom right there.
We don't know.
And Rita outdid herself on the lima beans and the greens.
It wasn't like the greens, huh?
Yeah, she loved them.
Mom slaved away and made homemade mashed potatoes, lima beans, and turnip greens, and she used my fat drippings off the prime rib for the
It
gravy.
was wonderful.
It was really good. All right, so everybody's happy and Merry Christmas, right? All right.
And a Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
In a few days.